James Somerset and his friends went to court and won the chance for enslaved people in England to be free. It was a landmark ruling, and one that had a big impact on the other side of the Atlantic too. So who is James Somerset? In truth, we don't know much about his life. What's certain is that he was enslaved, taken to the American colonies, and bought by an English customs officer named Charles Stewart. In 1769, Stewart returned to England, bringing Somerset with him as a servant. But in London in 1771, Somerset escaped, or perhaps simply walked out. For several weeks, he lived as a free man and was baptized at a church. 3 members of the Christian community became his godparents. But Somerset was soon recaptured and imprisoned on board a ship due to leave for Jamaica. Before the ship set sail, Somerset's godparents appealed to the Court of King's Bench, invoking habeas corpus, a law which meant Stewart had to prove Somerset was being imprisoned legally. The case attracted huge public attention. Somerset's legal costs were covered by human rights campaigner Granville Sharp, while plantation owners from the Caribbean funded Stewart's fees. After over 4 months in court, Chief Justice Lord Mansfield had a difficult question to resolve. Could anyone in Britain be legally held against their will as a slave? In June 1772, he announced his judgment. Slavery had never been authorized by statute, and therefore there was no basis for it in common law. Somerset was free. Many people on both sides of the Atlantic believed that slavery had been effectively outlawed in England. But there were comparatively few enslaved people in England. Most worked on plantations across the British Empire, where the ruling had no effect. Nonetheless, the case provoked wide debate and encouraged the anti-slavery campaign. It was a boost to the emerging abolitionist movement in North America, at a time when ideas of liberty and individual rights were leading to revolution. And later, in the 19th century, it inspired calls to end slavery in America, as the divided country headed towards civil war.